In today's video, I want to share with you a few reasons why I believe Bitcoin is about to push past $60,000 and the altcoin market will follow strongly. Now, before we dive into that, I want to let you guys know about a contest I have entered into, and I think you're going to want to pay attention to this because there's a big prize involved for you subscribers. TradeLies, a social network for traders backed by real trading stats, and the largest crypto media outlet, Cointelegraph, have put together a contest with a $20,000 total prize pool, where crypto personalities will be sharing compelling true stories about an experience they've had in the crypto space. And I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to reveal the truth to everyone about what truly happened when I was hacked back in 2019. Yes, you heard that right. I was required to leave out a few details for personal and national security in that original video. The main one being that I was hacked by North freaking Korea. And the craziest part about all of this, the Pentagon, yes, the Pentagon, helped me get the last laugh. I think enough time has passed where I can share this crazy story with all of you, and before you start leaving comments below, just know I'm being dead serious and not a single word shared is a lie. Now this is where it gets exciting for you guys. You see, the top 2 people with the best stories will win $5,000 in USDT each, and the first place winner will be chosen by Cointelegraph, and the second place winner will be chosen by the most likes on their story. And if I do happen to get first or second place, I figured why not give the winnings back to the people that have given me the most, my incredible subscribers. Yes, you heard that right. If my story happens to win first or second place, we will be doing an epic giveaway on the channel, and all $5,000 will be going to you lucky subscribers. The event ends in 5 days on March 9th. So go over to tradelies.com, create an account, and read everyone's stories before picking which one you genuinely think is the best. And also, if you have an exciting crypto experience to share, then go ahead and submit your own story and have the chance at winning $5,000 for yourself. But remember, the event ends in 5 days, so don't hesitate. Also, TradeLies is doing another event where they are giving 330 people a $10,000 prize pool, and fun fact, there's less than 100 people that are currently entered into the giveaway. So if you go over and apply for that giveaway, you have a pretty good shot at being one of the winners to enter in. I also will be leaving a link to my story down below, so if you guys do find it fascinating, you can go ahead and sign up and give it a big thumbs up so you can be one of the people contributing to the chance of winning the $5,000, which 100% of the proceeds, again, will be going to you subscribers. Now, switching gears, there's no doubt that institutions have been flocking to crypto more than ever in the past 2 months of 2021, but there's still many that are sitting and watching to see how this unravels. But unfortunately, those that wait and don't begin to accept what's soon to become the norm will be left behind in the old world of finance, or simply will miss out on the incredible opportunities that are currently available in crypto now, but might not be here down the road. Here's just a few industry leaders making their transition now, and why these companies alone will make the crypto markets continue to rally much higher in the coming months. Starting it off, we have Dubai, with breaking news that the Dubai government-owned licensing solutions now accepts crypto as a payment option for trading licensing and visa fees. This makes it even more accessible for entrepreneurs around the world to set up and scale in the UAE. The CEO of Kick Labs stated, "We've seen growing interest in cryptocurrency, with several customers in the blockchain and fintech sectors being part of the Kick Lab community." So it really was just a matter of time before we recognized Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Cryptocurrencies are the payment method of the future. Exciting nonetheless, but nothing we haven't heard before. So let's bump it up a notch. Next up, MicroStrategy has done it again and plans to purchase another mind-boggling $900 million in Bitcoin, further pushing the industry forward as corporations begin to scramble and adopt the cryptocurrency industry or face the fear of being left behind. And another perfect example why corporations will begin to flock is, of course, Tesla, which recently acquired $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. But get this, since their purchase, Tesla has generated more profit from their Bitcoin holdings than they have made from selling cars over the past 10 years. Crazy how Bitcoin works. Now, the most exciting news this week, no doubt, is that one of the largest investment banks in the world, valued at $715 billion, Morgan Stanley, and their partner NYDIG, has just filed for a Bitcoin ETF. Now, for starters, this is exciting since this is the first filing in 2021, but more so that it has a good chance of finally being passed. With such a reputable name putting forward their proposal and Canada just accepting 2 ETFs with major success so far, it might get to a point very shortly that the United States SEC plays nice and lets the inevitable happen. Although at this point it may not sound like a Bitcoin ETF is all that relevant, but trust me, if the SEC passes an ETF with the current market conditions, a $10,000 move or more is very likely to happen in 1 day's time. And what makes it even crazier is that 3 institutions alone publicly announced their acceptance of crypto this past week alone, and I have a hunch this is just the start of things. If you guys want to check out my crazy story about how I was hacked by North Korea but ended up getting the last laugh, I will leave it linked in the description, and if you do enjoy the story, it'd be greatly appreciated if you would give it a thumbs up so you guys can have a chance at an epic $5,000 giveaway on the channel. Also, be sure to leave a like and comment on this video so you can stay to enter in for your chance to win a Ledger Nano S. We have 7 more to give away, so about 7 weeks more of Ledger Nano S giveaways, and then who knows, maybe we can start a $5,000 giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.